In 1977, Citi rolled out automated teller machines across New York. But they didn't take off until a massive blizzard closed schools, businesses, and banks, and a love affair with the ATM was born. Today, Citi is still innovating with Citi Smart Banking.
Smart banking is about giving the customer the perfect way to bank. It's customizable, it's easy, and it's seamless.
You'll be able to do your banking at a smart branch, on the move, or at a new 360 station.
The 360 offers 90% of the things that you typically do in a branch, so it's really giving you a powerful tool in a very, very small footprint. Smart banking really is a revolution in banking.